Hey guys, the mail arrived and my newest Okuma reel has arrived. Aloha guys, good to be here. I've been kind of lax in doing my reviews, sorry about that. But I did get a package in the mail. In it is a Sapphire. This is the largest of the series. It's a 6,000. And instead of plastic, it's crinkly wrapped. First time I received a Okuma product that has crinkly wrap instead of the norm. So that's what it looks like inside. You got your reel, handle, looks like instruction sheet. So let's pick out these two items. Okay, they already have it arranged for obviously the right-handed, the most popular. There you go. I would say 2026 is probably going to be the year of budget reels. I mean, everybody's so concerned about high MSRPs. A lot of reels that the ones who control good budget reels are the ones that are going to sell a lot of reels. Ooh, that's what I really like. That sound there, that tells you that when you get something, you're going to hear it.
Okay, 7+1 bearings, 5.2 to 1 gear ratio, 34.6 inches line retrieve. Max drag is 24 pounds and the weight is only 9.7 ounces.
So the current price range of the Sapphires is from roughly $85 to $100. And it incorporates sizes of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6,000. But you also get, is added into that, you're also going to get the 2,500 because that's a very popular size, especially for the guys going for trout.
I purposely got the larger size to spool on mono over braid because almost everything I have is currently braid.
So basically 9 sizes. Now, normally I would go with 4,000 with braid, but on this one here I went 5,000 because I'm going to use mono. I'm going to get a little bit more line on it because, as you know, most 4 and 5,000 reels have the same body. The only difference is the spool is a little bit larger on the 5. So with the larger spool capacity, if it's wider or deeper, I'm going to get more line on it. So I would like to have more mono choices because most of my choices currently are with braid. So the reason why I went with the 5 instead of the 4 is I'm going to put mono on this one.
As you can see, this budget reel is loaded with a lot of higher end features often found in more expensive models.
You know, this year, 2026, people are going to be more conscious about purchasing new products like fishing equipment. So they're going to be looking for budget reels, with more extras. So sometimes this that carries the Hydro Block 2 is very important because it's IPX3 rated, which means that you're going to get splashings of water on it. But unless if it goes into the water, it won't. That's like IPX7. But if it goes into the water, you will get some water in there, but it's going to be retarding most of it, especially if it rains, if it's just splashing from fish or just from basic spray. And the reason for that is not only because it seals, but it's also the cyclonic flow rotor. Basically, it's the shape of the inside and the outside of the reel working in unison that I can feel it right now. It creates a flow, an invisible shield of air going out, and that will retard a lot of the moisture from getting inside.
For the largest reel of this series, it's truly packed with a lot of features you would find in higher end models.
Let me share you one thing that was not on the website. I'm not sure if other people have mentioned it, but the 1 to 2,000 size units have a smaller, just basically the plain knob. That's what they have. Only the 3 to 5,000 has a T-bar handles that you can just grip like this for power. It's not mentioned on the website. Um, if you look at all the pictures that Okuma puts out, you can deduce for yourself that from 2000 down, it's going to have the little septon knob, whereas the T bar handle knobs is only for the 3, 4, and 5. Remember, you are backed by a 1-year limited warranty, so make sure you send in that paperwork, all right? It does have decent amount of uh, seals on it. I'm just gonna have to give this a try.
Hey guys, thank you for watching. The next installment will be what type of rod I will match this up with, the reason why, and I'll be spooling this line as well. Thank you.